What's up, everyone? Welcome to Double Level with Astro, and I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I want to show you how do I promote the Power Lead system, and I'm going to also show you the proof of results that the system does work. If you're a person out there that's looking for a way to make money online without the hassles, without the selling and telling for you, this right here is a good opportunity for you guys to get started, and this is a newbie friendly opportunity. Newbie friendly pretty much. So when you get back here in the back office, as you can see right here, that today as a proof of result, I have gotten some leads that came in the system funnel, and keep on watching this video. I'm going to show you what funnel that I use to drive traffic. And I'm going to also show you a system that I use to be able to promote the Power Lead system and to brand my own self. So that's one thing that one strategy you would learn is to use a certain system that's going to promote and brand yourself without being and make you stand out pretty much. So here in the back office, you can see right here, this is in my email that, at 12 a.m. somebody had got into my system funnel. And what is a system funnel? It's a capture page that people and prospects rather put their information inside your system. That way they can be able to be saved in your system, to be able to receive emails, a series of emails, which is called an autoresponder. So for those that don't know what an autoresponder is, it's an automatic email sender that blasts out emails to every contact that's in the back of your system. So you want to be able to drive traffic to that. So I'm going to show you the system that I use to be able to promote that. All right. So coming back. Okay. So this is the Power Lead system right here. This is what I use to promote. Back here you see there's training. You want to head over to the training area. Once you click on the training area, I'll show you as an example. You see it says beginner trainer, compensation schedule. Schedules is pretty much we have live webinars every Tuesday and Wednesday. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. So you can check that out. We have a live hangout. We got ways of marketing. You want to do like solo ads. You want to do cost per clicks, things like that. Those are different ways that I'm gonna talk in another video, but they are here in the back office, so you can be able to learn that. Going back here. So what do I use to promote Power Lead? I'm going to show you what a capture page looks like. This is just one of the capture pages that I use for when people put in their information. And I had got this off of a share code. And that's another feature that I'm going to show you guys in another video with share codes and what they mean and how you could be able to share them to people that comes on board with you, and then they could be able to get your capture pages, the same ones that you design as well. But this is a capture page right here that I do use for the prospect to put in their information, their name and email, and when they hit the get access, that way I will be able to get their information, and I could be able to send them emails, whatever type of emails that I would like that they would get. So whether it's my opportunity, a YouTube video, my information to my social media, that's pretty much what they're going to be receiving in those emails that I send out on a daily basis. Okay, so I will show you the system that I use, but before I get deeper to that part, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. If you feel that this channel done you some good, it gave you some right information, make sure you click and follow me on Facebook, and the link in the description will be below. Okay, so what do I use to promote Power Lead System? And that's what you need to do to get leads to your system. That way you can be able to follow up with these people and hopefully turn those people into leads. And that's what you really want to do, is to build that rapport with prospects, because usually when they see an opportunity, they will not buy on the first go round. They won't buy. So you want to be able to build that relationship with them, and in terms in terms, they will follow you back, and they will connect with you, and they will be able to buy from you because they trust you. That they know that you are a real human being. So that's what you want to be able to provide to prospects. So right here, the system that I do promote, one of the strategies is Textbot AI, and this is a SMS marketing platform that you can be able to send and receive text messages for prospects to enter once you share your phone number, and also whatever link that you have to send to your prospects and your leads. And what is the chat robot name? It's Ava, which is an automatic virtual assistant. And you can see right here as examples of chats that Ava will send out to your prospects when people enter in. And then, she will have a conversation, and this automatic system happens in your sleep. So, and it goes by keywords, whatever keywords that you program inside this system. You could be able to, those key terms will crank up the system, and the system picks up with that, and whatever that you send, whatever that you set for your opportunity. Let's say you want to send out an opportunity or more information on your product, you get to send. Ava will send those that information to those leads through the text messages. So all this stuff is automatic. Where for those people that don't like to talk on the phone or anything like that, Ava pretty much will cover that. So a virtual assistant is something that's very, very powerful to have in your marketing system. And SMS marketing, number one, is a good way to market, like especially if you're in local businesses and things like that. Very, very powerful. So you would like to get your hands on this system. The link in the description will below, and make sure you click on that, and that's also will give you this system, so you can be able to use you could use this right here, which is your capture page, to get those leads. So you use that system, which is the Power Lead system. So you want to check all that out. If you'd like to get started with me on both of the opportunities, like I said before, the link in the description will be below. Also, if you need additional training once you join under me, I will provide that for you guys. Just make sure that you send me a message on Facebook and let me know that you came, you checked out the video, and you came and you want to be able to get assistance, you want to be able to get help. So make sure that you guys do that. I will have upcoming more videos and training tips and tricks for you guys with the Power Lead system. And also, check out more videos on the different opportunities that I work with, that I use to be able to help my daily operations of marketing and provide for you guys. Like I said, I'm always on the net. You can always reach me, add me on Facebook, and we can chat, and get to know one another, and go from there. And I can be able to show you training. So once again, this is Double Up with Astro. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.